welcome to another Citroen video. Finally, we're going to have a look at this compressor and see if we can get to the bottom of the suspension problem. So what I'll do is get the car up in the air and then we'll go underneath and have a look. Okay, I've got the back end up in the air and these look like some sort of, I think, 10mm nuts. There's a few of them, so what I'll do is I'll get these undone. I can get this covered off. And here's the compressor in all its glory, so do a quick visual check. There's actually two covers, this outer cover, and I managed to break two of the fixings at the back and snapped at the front one, but there was this other cover held by three 10mm nuts there, so I might have to leave that off when I put it back together, but I'm just having a quick look and can't see anything obviously untoward. I say do the visual inspection first. Now I can't see anything, so what I'll do is I'll unplug these connectors and see what it's like. There might be a corroded connection in there. Alright, first we'll get this unplugged. Oh, that doesn't look too clever unless that's protective grease, which I think it might be. And we'll just unplug this other one. So, just having a look, I can't see anything untoward, but let's try a bit of contact cleaning. Just no, I can't see anything untoward. Anyway, get some contact cleaner in there. Just plug that in, make sure it's secure. That seems to be alright. Look at that. I can't see anything untoward. Just get your pipes. Let an outlet. And these two here go to the springs. Pipe going there. There's a pipe going there. So yeah, these two are go to the springs. I'm not sure, this might be an inlet, but I don't know where the valve is that lets the air out. I'll just try to turn it in machine, see if the suspension pumps up. We'll see what happens. And I can hear some hissing. I don't know where that was coming from. Okay, so I'll just try. Well, I managed to get this back on, getting creative with a drill, some tapping screws and a cable tie at that end. And I've managed to secure this heat shield a bit better as well. Again, using a cable tie. So I don't know where to go from here. So it's either fitting another compressor or changing this entire air suspension to coil springs. Right, I'll just have to manage with it and just see how I get on. I might even turn it over to a local Citroen specialist, see what they think. Anyway, I'm going to wrap it up for this video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like and subscribe. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.